Stephanie, you shine brighter than the sun itself. Oh, thrilled to be in your company once again.
Oh, please. I'm blushing. So, what are you selling this time?
Ooh. Good food, companionship.
Very persuasive.
Really?
Hold her. Chief. Hit your waist. Down. Jojo, don't be afraid. It's your auntie. No, do it. Jojo. Jojo, sit there. Do it, lah. No! Sideways. Oh, Jojo, side. Now down. Go down. Oh, Jojo, down. Oh, hey. No, twist your waist. Like a snake. Kizomba, yes. Yeah. Go on. Yeah, that's good. That's very good. You don't look at me. Concentrate. Yes. Hey, twist your waist.
I knew I found you guys here.
Let me put my back down. Don't please. How are your boots?
Are you from
Texas or?
Like that. Let's see
And that's a bit You see? Yes. It's the waist down.
Okay.
So, like this. Like it.
Hey.
Like it.
Hey. This junior same thing. Hey, like father like son. Tell me how you are.
I'll cut on one, ma.
Okay, let's go.
Now come. Okay.
Any news?
Yeah, on my tablet in my bag.
Great.
That was a fine meal. Now, let's talk about you.
Really? And who said I want to talk about me?
Ooh, touchy. Actually, I am interested in you. Business-wise, that is. You did mention market intelligence and financial affairs. I may have work for you.
It will cost you.
Money's not a problem.
So, what do you have in mind?
Right. I need to move $10 million within 5 days. The money is ready, but I have to facilitate the paperwork before it's transferred into a corporate account down here. Okay?
So, just looking at your shopping list, you will need a corporate front, a corporate account with a minimum of 30,000 US dollars, certifiable Ghanaian partners, and an identifiable corporate address.
Precisely. That's what I need for the transfer to pass.
And you need all this in 5 days.
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
Okay.
419. Wagadre man. Fragadam man. See, you were right after all.
The devil. It's Ajia I'm sorry for. I feel sorry for her.
Oh, forget Ajia with Jimmy Dodo. Mama, she went near you. Payment is say. Hey, hookies. He's definitely a shady fellow. He moves like a chameleon.
And he changes into an architect anytime he meets Ajia. Can you imagine? Poor woman. He spoiled, her mind with that car and the house. But the problem is that he hasn't done anything illegal yet. And so we can't put the police on him or anything.
How many days do we have with the investigator?
3. Tomorrow is the last day.
I would hate for us to wind this down without anything concrete on him.
But the problem is with Hachia. Oh, this man is so ruthless. He's capable of anything.
Oh, no, Anepe.
Oh, I miss you.
I miss you too.
How was your day?
Not bad. Yours?
Oh, was okay. Yes. Oh, baby. All this for me?
Anything for you. That makes me happy.
Oh, I love you so much.
Love you too.
Wow, how did I get so lucky? Let's go in.
George, you got the mail?
Yes, definitely. That was fast.
Greed and promise of plenty can be an intoxicating mix, you know? I've got willing partners.
That you do, my man. Now what?
Good. This is what I want you to do for me. First things first. Complete the transfer of the 30,000.
Sure? That will raise alarm bells.
Don't worry about that. I got that covered. Get back to me when that is done, okay? Cheers, mate. See ya.
I like your work. Super.
A lot of great thinkers and a lot of great inventors. All white mansion, I'm a child of God. All black diamonds when times were hard. New Rolls Royce, I guess you made a nigga. All white neighborhood, you the favorite nigga. My top back like JFK. They want to push my top back like JFK.
What are we doing here? What is this?
Yeah, but Trey, nothing is what.
How do you Hello.
Okay, you are here.
What is this? Another ambush? Adole, what is going on?
Easy, sister. How long have we known each other? You have to trust me. And how often haven't we protected each other? Have a look at this.
To my earpiece. To my earpiece. Wow. Incredible.
Nothing proven yet. Now the ball is in your court.
Relax. Relax. We are here to help you. One step at a time.
This is for being there for me. My rock deserves a rock. Come to Papa. Come on.
Some friends came to me with bad news, you know.
Bad news?
Yeah. But I mean, isn't that what you hear these days? Bad news everywhere.
Bad news?
Yeah. But then let's talk about something more interesting. How's your office complex coming?
Hey, splendidly, my dear. It's coming up so good.
You know, one of these days you need to take me to the site, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So that where does your funny helmet? I really need to. So baby, when?
Soon. Oh, don't worry. It will be a big surprise.
Oh, okay.
A very, very big surprise.
Okay, I'm waiting forward.
Don't worry. Very, very soon. Yeah.
I'm glad. How long have you been here?
Has he called?
He said he will call at 9. Why are you on the edge these days?
Sixth sense. Something is not right. You know what? Let us go to his hotel.
Pump the brakes, Tiger. This is my deal. We do it my way.
Guava jelly. Just humor me. Humor me. Let us go to his hotel.
Okay. I'll tell him we are passing through for breakfast.
We arrive unannounced.
Fine.
Without me.
We agreed to start at 9 sharp.
Oh, but it's just 10 past 9.
You're still late.
Yes, ma'am.
Start with some stretching exercises, okay? Like that. Like that. I just completed my second set of the skipping ropes. So you can join me right after.
Hey. Wow, what has gotten into you today? You are crisp.
My dear, surviving is important. Thriving is elegant. Nothing can dim the light that shines from within. Maya Angelou. Now get on with it.
Shiri.
Get serious, okay? Just start stretching now.
Hello.
Hi, you're welcome.
Thank you. I have my business associate here, Josh Sanders.
Yeah, you must be Madam Stephanie.
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Mr. Sanders is expecting you. He made an arrangement for you to meet him in his room.
Oh,
In 203.
okay.
Can you please take them to room 203, Mr. Sanders' room?
Thank you.
Welcome.
The guy has style. Typical British. He's served too.
What is this?
Oh, no wonder we couldn't get through to him.
Baba Jelly, I don't like this. I don't like this.
You might as well relax.
Something is not right about this. I'm telling you.
Just relax, please. Yes.
Mr. Sanders left this file.
Thank you.
What is this? Joker?
Jackpot.
You have been conned.
Over.
Omote, things we are playing. I am not joking with this. What? Tell me, what is this? What is this? Omote, if you tell me something.
I won't cry.
You we have been conned, you are crying. Look at this one, oh.
Yes. Okay. Come right now.
Hello, Brown. Or is it Chief Ogunshola?
VVIP. And a dog I do.
Make her enter Kolo. Somebody enter Kolo. That's all. Make her enter Kolo.
Pass me the palm wine.
Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody.
Everybody.
Make you hold somebody.
Hold somebody.
Drink and jolly.
Yeah.
Tell me how sexual healing. Or you feeling irate. This what we dey do before we do the show. Make you move your body where the music they go.
Somebody enter Colo.
And you never see.
Make I enter, make I go ahead. And if you know they feel my matter, Charlie, make you go away. I no get time, way I just go on through way. So make I boss a lyric, we go enter into your head.